base of residential home foundations between Abe's Mountain Road and the river. Additional details at 11:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. The stage was 11.2 feet. Thankful stage is 12.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage early this morning to a crest of 12.6 feet this morning. Mountain Road. It will then fall below flood stage this afternoon. Flood stage is 12.0 feet. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. The river caution is urged when walking